Alright, so in this clip, I'm wearing a cardigan that I got from Aritzia, and it was originally $138, and I paid $39.99. So that would be 71% off. In this clip, I have on a pair of jeans from Derek Lam, and I got them at Barney's. And those were originally $265, and I paid $40 for those, so that would be 88% off. I also have my Kate Spade bag with me, and I got that at the Kate Spade outlet, and it was originally $400, and I only paid $80, so that's 80% off. Alright, in this clip, I'm dancing with Maggie, but I also am wearing a sweater I got from Banana that was originally $89.50. I paid $15.99, so that's 70% off. Then I have these jeans from Barney's as well, and they're Hudson jeans. They're originally $245. I paid $35, so that would be 86% off. I just wanted to say that a lot of people, I think, are intimidated by going into Banana Republic or Barney's or Aritzia or any other expensive store because they think it's expensive, which, don't get me wrong, it is, but that's why I don't buy the full price items. You guys, you have to shop in the back of the store on the clearance rack.